So I was just watching this video of Varun Maya, and I found it's actually finishing. It's about only 5 minutes left. So I got this idea. So it's around it's the fourth chapter, I think. It's about it's not directly in the video, so I just show you here. So I created this prompt. This prompt is actually here. We can choose any topic here. So it's basically learning. So how to learn? So how to learn means different topics or different concepts have different ways to learn. I meaning there is a best way to learn a X concept. Yeah. So here we have three or four mode. The one mode is text, which is reading documentation, reading books, reading whatever it's reading. Yes, we can see here theory, documentation, syntax, APIs, specifications, and technical concepts, etc. So the second one is video mode. Video one mode is useful for architecture for or visualized system, uh, which which helps for an X concept. So the next one is audio mode. It's basically listening for studying audios or listening to podcasts, whatever. That's and the last one is build mode, which is doing it. It's doing what directly implement the thing that the concept, the X concept. Yeah. So what this prompt do is it's actually create an syllabus or sub topics around this topic, which we can give anything, and it will help you to decide the best way to learn X concept. So I can here we I prompted it is in ChatGPT to learn. The concept is to create a web API with the ASP.NET Core controllers. So the module one is web API fundamentals, and inside module one, section 1.1, 1.1, what is a web API? And here I have some subtopics. The best way to learn this is via video. Now I think you guys understand what I am. All this time I was telling. So here we have a section and subtopics, and the best way to learn these topics is video while using YouTube video or any course related video. It is the best way an human brain can learn is via video in these topics. So the reason is also they will also return the reason. It's actually specific to this example. It's actually no need to just leave it there. Okay. The section 2 has these topics, and which is which is the best way to learn these topics is the text by reading documentation about HTTP methods, headers, queries, documentation. Yeah, yeah, the best way is to text. And the next one is API testing basics. To test an API, you need to send a request, read response, debug errors. So you actually need to build it. You actually need to build the API for learning that API testings. Okay. So then, and it's going on, and that's is what I'm talking about. I just got it from Byron Maya's video. It's actually the stage 4 which I got it, and I just play it here. You can watch here. That's actually called a
Awesome.
multimodal.
The next step is when AI went from processing text to understanding images, audio, video, and code all at once. And that's when something magical happened. The model didn't just get better at each individual thing, it got better at everything because different modalities reinforce each other. Humans who only learn from books have a one-dimensional understanding. The founder who understands their product through spreadsheets and customer calls and building the prototype and watching users struggle, that person has this 4D mental model that's much richer. One way to be multimodal is not just to consume information in text. A video animation of Bernoulli's principle is better than just reading it on text. Now you may say, well, Varun, everyone watches videos. But then you look at our current education system and see that it's all text. And here's the second part that people are missing. Multimodal systems are not just about input, they're also about output.
So in the case of this, which he talk about Bernoulli's theorem, that's it. That's where I hit this, idea of this prompt.